single Commando 15.
Okay.
I got a DS18 3.5K for the sub, and I got a DS18 SLC.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Nice.
It's a single Commando 15.
Okay.
I got a DS18 3.5K for the sub, and I got a DS18 SLC 1800.4 for the mid and highs.
All right. You're good. So what's your name and what is this wire to?
My name is Mark Brown.
Okay.
I have a DS18 3500 watt amp pushing my sub. I have a DS18 SLC 800.4 pushing my mids and highs. I have a Rockford punch series components, which I can't remember the name of the series. I have stock alternator, stock lithium battery, or AGM battery,
yep,
and one single run of 1/0 and big 3 upgrade.
All right. Is it wired to 1 ohm or 2 ohm?
Wired down to 1.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
You're good. You know what the tuning spec is?
The tuning spec on the box is 38.
38. Okay. Have you clamped the power or found out your meter score yet?
No, I haven't metered it yet. I was actually hoping I could do it while I'm here.
Okay. Yep.
But I don't know if they're doing it today because I was supposed to come yesterday.
Okay.
So do you want something high? Do you want something
play
low?
what you know does most flex and loud.
Okay, then I know what song that is.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I do daily car audio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the walk around. We just got a Mark system. This was at Virginia and TDH Team Daily Hertz show in 2021, getting to upload it. I went ahead and put his video of his previous system demo, the same subwoofer in a different style box. Went ahead and put that in the description. This was the thumbnail of that. Definitely recommend checking out that video after the demo of this one. You can kind of see difference between in the trunk and then in the hatchback. The same style subwoofer, just different amplifier and power and vehicle. So shout out to him. He did a really good job. Everybody give him a like if you haven't already. More of a stock-friendly system, more budget-friendly. He made it to the show. May not be the loudest, but it's a single subwoofer. It definitely got the job done for a good cone area single sub. 15-inch, better than a 10 or 12 for cone area. If you didn't notice, on the left side of his box, he had a little slot port, so this actually isn't sealed. It is slotted. Didn't get the exact port area, but I do know that it is tuned to the mid to high 30 hertz ranges he was talking about. Also do not know what size the box is. Looks like it's around a 3.5 to 4 cube net box. And he did a good job with the amplifier staging without having to mount it on the box, and he had enough trunk room to fit everything with optimal performance. But he didn't have any extra batteries. He said he was still a work in progress for that. But definitely check out the video after this demo for his other system upgrade change he did as well. So we're going to go ahead and get to the base demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos and enjoy the demo. 1215. Pretty good, man. Have you clamped the power or found out your meter score yet?
No, I haven't metered it yet. I was actually hoping I could do it while I'm here.
Okay, yep.
But I don't know if they're doing it today because I was supposed to come yesterday.
Okay. Well, nice to meet you. Thanks for watching. Yes, sir. Very good demo.
Thank you.
Pretty good. You have a good day, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.